Hello and welcome to another update video about Metis. Metis was covered a while ago on this chart, on this channel, and it's time to refresh it again. It's a coin that I've covered recently a few times for channel members, for our gold members, and we've had a support area here to which the price was supposed to react if this wave count at least is correct. So it did already react here to the 38.2 retracement at $49. Yeah, reacted here on the 12th of April to that level. And in this wave count overall, looking here at the daily time frame, we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. And the idea is that this is now a third wave to the upside, which could target, doesn't have to, but which could target $1,000. Okay, so that is also based on the idea that in this third wave, we have completed an A wave. Maybe the B wave already completed. Maybe it goes a little lower. But the idea is that it's turning around in this support region between $17.66 and $48.91. And then from here, a C wave rally should start. I mean, other wave counts, other interpretations are possible. I've labeled it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could also be an A, B, C, but then the subwave structure doesn't really fit in. But it serves, the most important thing is that the wave count at the moment serves a purpose and that it is helpful for trading. So that's why we define support regions. And also the wave count in white now will tell us what we need to see to confirm that the B wave pullback, which possibly finished on the 13th of April, that this indeed bottomed. So what we need to see is a 3-wave move down where we did that, but now a 5-wave move up. And as you might know, I'm always watching here for the third wave to get minimally to the 1.38 extension, in this case $91. Could always go higher. Okay, could always go higher. So I've got here a wave 1 to the upside, I've got a wave 2 to the downside. It looks like it needs one more high to at least 91. Next level above would be 99.41. Depending on how high the third wave goes, and they can sometimes extend. So I only show you the first ideal target because, you know, this is sort of the first milestone. But obviously it could be the third wave extends higher, 105, 114. We've seen third waves get to like 200% extension levels easily, and if the environment is favorable, that's sort of what we're watching, then a fourth wave obviously often retraces to the 50% or 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the third wave rally. I cannot give you that level yet because we haven't peaked yet in white wave 3. Yeah. So only when I have a peak, when I have a top, I will give you a support area. I'll probably communicate a support area once we get to the 1.38 extension, because only then I will really call that a third wave. Then the 4th and the 5th wave should get to the 1.618 extension at 99.41 or higher. Yeah, it's not uncommon also for a 5th wave to extend to the 1.786 or 200% extension, up to $115 easily. But it depends on where the third wave ends. Okay, so they are only guideposts at the moment. And of course, as long as we only have 3 waves up, it is risky, or, shouldn't say risky. I mean, it is probable that this is just a B wave rally, which would be an ABC itself, ABC within the B wave. Yeah. And once the B wave has topped, then we can calculate a target for yellow wave C. So I think the process needs to be, we're watching if the third wave can get to the $90.84 level minimally, which I think it can. Okay, it seems to be doing that and seems to be on its way. And if it can then hold communicated wave 4 support, then we're going to watch for one more high. Once we have these 5 waves completed, I'm going to watch for the next corrective pullback. So in the white count, the process would be, we say, okay, these first 5 waves constitute a larger degree wave 1. Then we're looking at a wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. And that could actually take us to $1,000. It depends on how long this initial 5-wave move up gets. It's very important. And then depending on where the pullback lands, and again, I can give you a support region once we've topped in wave 1, then we can calculate the targets for waves 3, 4, 5. So we'll see where that all takes us. This is, at the moment, they are just placeholders. Yeah, but at the moment, because the pullback was quite shallow, I think the yellow count is definitely something we need to consider at this stage. And it would definitely become the leading count with a break below the wave 2 low in white, or the break below the B wave low in yellow, here at around $53. That's my update about Metis. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. And yeah, have a great start to the new week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.